It's the middle of April and I've come up to Hainault Forest to the east of London, but inside the M25, and I'm just going to have a go at recording some woodland bird sounds. See what birds I can hear, what birds I can recognise just by sound. It's a fine morning, but it is pretty chilly. Off in the distance there, I could hear a nuthatch and a crow, and the classic teacher, teacher, teacher of the great tit. The crow is behind me somewhere. Blue tit. There's a robin singing in the tree up above me. Lovely and loud and clear. Had a trilling call of a nuthatch over there just now. Too far away now. The wren. The wheat 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 call is the nuthatch. I stopped here because I just heard a chiff chaff, but you know what it's like, as soon as you press record they stop. But check out this tree. Dead, very gnarled and very riddled with woodworm. I think that's a chiff chaff calling behind me. It looks like a chiff chaff. That's not the sound they normally make, is it? Maybe it's just their contact call rather than the song. Here's the song. It just flowed off. Right, well, I'm probably going to have to wrap it up now. I'd forgotten that aircraft noise can be a bit of a problem here because we're not far from Stapleford Abbott's private airfield, so we get a lot of light aircraft going over. There goes another one now. Plus, the other problem I've run into is that there's too much light. I'm filming on my Canon 60D and I normally film at 1080p 24 frames a second with the shutter speed set to 1/50th of a second, but even if I stop it right down it's just overexposing like mad. So for this last piece I've actually gone to 720p and at 60 frames a second with my shutter speed at 125. But perhaps I should get a filter. Nice blackcap singing up there. Anyway, thanks for joining me today on Naturally Curious UK. Hope you've enjoyed the bird songs I've been able to bring you, and just nice to get out, isn't it? Alright, you mind how you go. Stay safe, stay sane, stay curious, and keep enjoying the wonders of nature where you are, whether it's sights or sounds. Catch you soon. Bye now.